Welcome to today's video about turmeric water and its health benefits. In this video, we will explore the incredible benefits of drinking turmeric water before bed and learn how to make it. But before we begin, let's address a quick reminder that the information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not substitute professional medical advice. Turmeric water has gained attention for its potential health benefits, and we will dive into 10 of them. But first, subscribe my channel for more health-related content. First and foremost, turmeric can help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can increase insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance, thus improving fasting blood glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Next, turmeric water improves brain function. Curcumin enhances cognitive function, memory, and reduces the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. It works by reducing brain inflammation, promoting the growth of new brain cells, and enhancing synaptic plasticity. Furthermore, turmeric water can help reduce anxiety and depression. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, combined with other compounds in turmeric, contribute to its positive effects on mood and sleep. It promotes the release of serotonin and dopamine, the neurotransmitters responsible for regulating mood and sleep. Turmeric water also supports liver health. The curcuminoids in turmeric have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. They help neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote the regeneration of damaged liver cells. Turmeric water can also aid in weight loss by reducing fat accumulation and improving lipid metabolism. Moreover, turmeric water relieves joint pain. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects help inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals and ease joint pain and stiffness. It can also improve digestion by stimulating the production of bile, aiding in the breakdown of fats, and reducing inflammation in the digestive system. Additionally, turmeric water boosts immunity by neutralizing free radicals and enhancing the immune system's response to infections. It promotes the production of white blood cells and strengthens the body's defense mechanisms. Turmeric water is also known for promoting healthy skin. Compounds like turmer-1s and gingerols in turmeric increase collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging. Turmeric water can also help fight acne and other skin infections. Intriguingly, turmeric water may improve erectile dysfunction. Compounds such as artemisinin and xanthorazole in turmeric have shown potential in stimulating the production of adult stem cells, regenerating damaged nerve tissue, and relaxing the smooth muscles in the penis, enhancing blood flow and improving erections. To prepare turmeric water, you have two methods. The first method involves using turmeric powder and water. Simply bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, simmer for 5 minutes, strain the mixture, and enjoy. The second method uses fresh turmeric root. Grate or chop about 2 inches of fresh turmeric root, add it to boiling water, simmer for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you are on medications or have a medical condition. As we conclude this video, we hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Remember to like and share this video to spread the word about the power of natural remedies.